Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the medicine Myrica. Remember this medicine in infantile jaundice. Ask the mother to take this medicine in 6C potency every 4 hours for 5 to 6 days and ask her to feed the baby after taking the medicine. This is one of the best methods to give medicine to the babies. I often ask mother to take the medicine and feed the baby, and this gives you the best results. And Myrica will help the patient for the fast recovery in the infantile jaundice. The main sphere of action of this medicine is on the liver and the heart. An important symptom is tenacious discharges, offensive discharges, and the discharges are difficult to detect, just like a kali pai. And all discharges are the yellowish in color. This point you need to remember, along with the heart and the liver issues. Patient may have the headaches. In adults also you can use this medicine. If the patient has a headache, bilious headaches, and the patient has desire to pass the stool, but while passing the stool, patient passes more floats, more gas. This is the one of the important symptoms in this medicine. Remember this medicine in jaundice along with the skin issues with the difficulty in sleep, insomnia, with dreams of insects. And one of the mental symptoms you may see in this medicine is delusion. He is better than others. You may say this type of a mental aspect in the patient. If you say this type of a mental aspect in a mother whose child is suffering with the infantile jaundice, then also you can use this medicine. Remember, use this medicine in 6C potency. This potency give you the good results. And remember this medicine for the infantile jaundice. As I already told you, I am conducting the course mega session. Second batch is starting soon on the 5th of June. If you want to take part in it, if you want to learn homeopathy, materia medica in depth, deep discussions, I describe the medicines in depth along with the stories and long-term access. You can watch the videos in your convenient time for the next 2 years, more than 50 medicines in the Kali group of medicine, clinical tips of the coughs and fever cases, and WhatsApp support, weekly exams, whatnot. If you want my support to learn a homeopathy, you should join in this course. Fees is very less compared to the content which I am providing you. If you want to join in the second batch, take actions, fast action, don't think much, take initiative. Only the people who take initiative will grow high. So I am looking forward to see you all in my team. Thank you so much.